I'm wearing it to tap into that grace, tap into that spirit of excellence and prosperity and all of that. Just imagine me like holding 8 Grammys right now. We'll just call this an MJ inspired jacket. That movie was incredible. Get into it, yeah. Hey, it's Theresa and you're watching See This Late TV. Right now I'm working on the draft for my Michael Jackson blazer that I am recreating for his movie premiere ending of April. Got tickets to the early access, so I'm going to watch it on April 22nd. Let me know if you guys are watching the movie when you're gonna go watch it. I'm going to be dressing from his Thriller era. I'm wearing it to tap into that grace, tap into that spirit of excellence and prosperity and all of that. So I made a muslin draft just because I've never made a blazer before. This is how it came out. I don't like it, and this is why we work with muslin. I talk about muslin in my sewing starter guide, so make sure you guys go ahead and get that. Theresaslade.com. So this blazer is too small. I'm gonna have to make another draft. This is why we have muslin, in case we make a mistake. Yeah, I'm not using this. Let's try again. Bodice fits me nice. Like, I like the length. I think I can come in, let me try 1 inch. I'm gonna come in by about an inch and let's see how it looks. Imagine me like holding 8 Grammys right now. Michael Jackson, April 22nd, early access, early premiere. Getting my jacket ready. Originally, I thought that this blazer was sequined because the pictures weren't the clearest, so I just assumed that this was a sequin blazer until I found a clearer picture of this MJ blazer, and the whole thing is beaded. Whoa. That changes the entire game. Because this is a blazer and because it's heavily beaded, I need to use a fabric that's very strong. This was the fabric that I ordered from Mood Fabrics. So this is what I ordered. I wanted to use this Mikado because this is hot pink and I totally forgot that I had this. I can't bead on this. I can't make a fully beaded jacket or blazer with this thin. I was gonna use a black satin lining because I have a lot of it and I'm trying to get rid of it. But either way, I think I'm gonna end up using this Mikado. I have those things that he has on his wrist, those fancy detailing. I have some extra of that I've had for years. So let's start cutting. To join the lining to the main fabric, and I'm struggling. This is actually harder than I thought, and I'm tired. It's 10 o'clock. Good night, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Special announcement. If you want to learn how to sew, the Sewing Starter Guide is a simple and easy way for you to finally get started. Price is $19.98, available for purchase on Theresaslade.com. And now, back to the program. Hello everybody, we're back. I think I'm just gonna like figure out how to style it like this. We'll just call this an MJ inspired jacket. I'm thinking like putting the collar up like this and like maybe putting some cute like detailing to do something to do my embellishment on the sleeves. Like I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna pin these in place, pin them in a way that I like it. Pins are right here. Obviously linked in the description box. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. I think I'm gonna put like these on here as well, so it's like straight down here, straight down here. And I think I'm gonna take my gold beads and bead this, like bead the edges of this, maybe on the bottom too if I have enough. So I did this today. That's for today, and then tomorrow I think I'll do this side and then the bottom, and then I think that's gonna be it. But that's all for today. My custom made jackets. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all in the next one. Bye.